Is it a good time to be a note and real estate investor? And I see these questions all the time from different videos on here. I get questions in my YouTube channel and emails. And here's the thing. Yes, it's a great time to be a real estate investor. Money is made in investing in real estate in an up or down market if you know the correct strategies that are working. Now, what I wouldn't be doing if I was a brand new real estate investor today is trying to go out and fix and flip properties. I wouldn't be going out and trying to buy conventionally. What I would be doing is looking at what's going to be working in this market, what's going on with the economic factors and things like that right now, and then also what's working either in your market or working in others' market. I'm blown away that so many real estate investors can't get beyond the fact that their market really just isn't like LA or San Francisco or Austin. You've got Google. You can invest all across the country. You're not just hamstrung by the $1 million houses in your market. You can still buy a lot of great properties, $200,000 or below, in the Midwest and other areas. I like note investing because I can buy distressed real estate or distressed notes at a huge discount below what most people would be buying foreclosures for. And that gives me a lot of flexibility in either working out that with the homeowner. It gives me more room and more equity. So if I have to foreclose, I can repair the property and still sell it at a price that makes sense to get it moved. Or I can turn it into a cash flowing asset if I can get the bar back on track and work out a variety of different facets with it. Or the deed in lieu cash for keys to expedite me taking the property back. So yes, it's a great time to be investing, but what would you do or what should you do? The first thing is you got to get educated. That's the first thing. That means probably attending your local real estate clubs or meetup groups. If not, talking to people, listening to podcasts, reaching out to people that are actually doing things right. Now, if somebody says something and you're in a different market, don't get pissed off. Reach out to them. Hey, where are you buying at? Where is that working at? It may not be working in my market, because that's what you have to realize. Not every strategy works in every market. I haven't bought a lot of non-performing notes in Austin, Texas, because it's the fastest foreclosure state in the country, and the banks know it. They also know that real estate's high here, so I don't get as big a discount as I would in Ohio or Michigan or Indiana, stuff like that. You also got to realize that you have the Google. You have all sorts of vendors all across the country that can help assist you in your business. It's not you by yourself in your local market. And then finally, money makes the world go around, it makes investing go around. You got to start investing and learning how to raise private capital. That's attending real estate investment clubs and networking people that are going to self-directed IRA events, understanding self-directed IRAs, understanding what investors want, and talking to people that have raised millions of dollars in private capital from accredited and non-accredited investors. A whole variety of different ways of doing that. But there's never been a better time. We're seeing a huge amount of distress in the markets because people are having a hard time getting houses sold. That leads to distressed borrowers who are trying to move but can't sell their house. It leads to huge opportunities in subject to deals, non-performing notes, wraparound mortgages, creative financing, and a whole variety of things. So yes, it's a great time to be a real estate investor if you know what's working in the markets right now and the ways to apply that to either your market or outside markets that you can tap into.